Yeah, this is a 2011 Freightliner. We end up installing the Excalibur 1670 with the linker unit. Basically, to lock it, you're going to hit lock. Locks the doors. Unlock it, you're going to hit unlock. Unlocks the doors. Remote started. It's already turned on the diesel. You can hear it turned on I gave it the diesel delay. That way it warms up the glove plugs and all that stuff that these trucks require. And now it's going to crank right up. Starts giving them the run time. The car is running by remote control. I'm going to shut it off. It also comes with a clock. You can press it 2 times to shut it off. I'll shut it off so you can hear me. It comes with the, now it goes back to 0. The truck is off. It gives you the 14 volts. That's the level of the battery of the unit. The signal of the unit. He's got full tower. This is an AT&T platform to track it. It gives you the map where the truck is, and then you can switch over to satellite. Okay, you can go normal viewing. Yeah, this is pretty nice. It has you can program the picture of the vehicle. They don't have trucks yet, but I already talked to the engineers over there to see if they can add a few pictures of Peterbilts and Freightliners and whatnot. But they have all the cars in the world. Sometimes we do jet skis, and it would be nice if they can put a little picture of a jet ski there. Something probably in the back burner for them. They just came up with this app update, so it's going to have to probably be in the next one. But that's pretty much it. He didn't have door locks, so we went ahead and put the motors inside the doors so he can have power locks. Okay. And basically, if somebody fires off the alarm, he will get a notification on the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on it. There's the notification, the alarm is going off. And if you leave the alarm running, which I turned it off right away, but if you leave it running, you'll get a 3 or 4. And then you can set whatever ringtone you want on your phone and make it real loud so it'll wake you up at night. So this system is called Excalibur 1670 with the linker unit on this Freightliner. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, and yes, we do have free mobile service. We do come out where the truck is. Thank you for watching this video.